So today the topic or from your outline is fact and opinion and difference between fact and opinion. So it's a simplest definition of fact. A fact is a specific detail that is true based on objective proof. An opinion is an interpretation, value, judgment, or belief that cannot be proved or disproved. An opinion is created. So the next definition of opinion. Opinion can often be identified because the sentence contains biased words. Biased words express opinion, value, judgment. Often they are all full of emotions. So, affect is information that can be verified or proven. You can't argue facts. An opinion is information that cannot be proven or verified because it's someone's personal point of view. So, the next definition of fact. Fact is something which can be verified with evidence and is provable, observable, and measurable. Facts can be proven by reliable authorities such as statistics, proven scientific law, history books, governmental law, and observation. So, opinion is something which cannot be proven and they are based on someone's thought, feelings, and understanding. Some key points though you use facts to add credibility to an opinion, it is still an opinion. Though an opinion may be widely accepted, it does not make any fact. So, some examples we have to check about facts and opinion. Before this, just check it. Fact is objective and opinion is subjective. So what does it mean? Fact is objective because is discovered, states, reality can be verified, is presented with unbiased words. For example, broccoli is a source of iron and opinion is subjective, is created, cannot be verified, is presented with biased words. So, for example, if I say that I like pizza, so it's my opinion. Someone who does not like pizza, so it's his or her opinion. So, opinion can be argued, opinion can be explained, but fact cannot be. Okay. So, the other example of opinion is I like to wear cap, but someone who does not like it, it's my opinion. So, let's see some other definition of facts. Facts are statements that can be proven. Facts may be true or false, but fact can be proven. It is an important thing. For example, there are 10 inches in a foot. It's false because we can check that there are 12 inches in a foot. So facts may be true or false, but facts can be proven. So opinion are statements that cannot be proven. Opinions can be argued. Opinion may be supported with facts. Opinion cannot be proven. Just one thing is to be remembered. For example, pizza is delicious. It is an opinion. Math is the hardest subject. It's an opinion. English is the hardest subject. It's your opinion. Okay? So, uh, these are some information about facts and opinion. First of all, you should listen it and write the basic definition of facts and opinion and some example. So you can search some example on Google and you can give example from your daily routine life, facts and opinion. Okay. So if you have any questions, so you can ask. Allah Hafiz.